Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will guide you through how to download and install the Davinci Resolve on your laptop or PC. The Davinci Resolve is an awesome video editor and best of all, it's free. So to get started, open your web browser. I'm using Brave, but any browser works. Then type in the Davinci Resolve and go to their official website blackmagicdesign.com. They are the developer. Then scroll down until you see the free download now version, and there are also a paid studio version, but we are going to download the free one. And then click Windows x86 and then fill in your info, and then scroll down and press register and download in the bottom right, and the download will start automatically. And so I have already downloaded their zip file, so I'm not going to download that again. Now all I'm going to do is go to File Explorer. So I am in my File Explorer in my download folder. Then all you have to do is click the zip file and then extract to this. And once it's extract, open the extract folder and then double click the installer to start. And you will need to install some component, so press install and wait a minute. The setup wizard will open and read through the agreement and then press next. Then choose your install location, then press next and then install again. Once it's finished, press finish to complete the setup. Now press the search bar at the bottom of your screen and type Davinci Resolve, and all you have to do, open the program, and there you go, the Davinci Resolve is ready to use. I hope this video helped you a lot, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. And thanks for watching. I will see you in my next video.